everybody, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset your passcode of AnCrypto wallet. First of all, find and open AnCrypto application on your device. Now you can see forgot your login pin at the bottom of your screen. Click on it. Then click on Yes button. Here you can see import your wallet section. Click on it, and if you have backed up your wallet on Google Drive, you can click restore from Google Drive button. Or you can also import using your seed phrases. Click on it and type in your recovery phrase here. Now click on next button. After that, click on skip. And you can create a new pin from here. Type in your new pin and confirm it once again. So that is how you can reset your passcode on AnCrypto wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.